Food forest, February 2021. Artichoke, artichoke, artichoke. Sage. Fennel. Olive tree. Ooh, fennel. I don't see any beans. Tree, pomegranate tree, maybe. Algunas, nitrogen fixing bush, artichokes, fennel, onion or garlic, no garlic. Green manure coming up with a very heavy mulch to keep it nice and moist underneath when the sun comes. Got garlic along the side here. Rosemary. This is a pomegranate tree. That's something else. See, loads of artichoke. And some of our cabbages. And green manure. There's the fennel. I don't see the nitrogen fixers here. I haven't looked at the map, so I'm missing things. There's our happy apple. Over here we have the apple tree, looking bigger than it was before, which is nice to see. Artichokes, 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 beans. Beans, the beans have been nibbled a little bit around the edge of the leaves. Garlic, garlic. There should be, I think, a red valerian here, but I'm not sure which one it is. I can't see it. And then behind there we've got the nectarine, which is looking great. Another one of our funky cabbages, and again lots of artichokes. And I don't really see anything else. Here we've got alfalfa. Cabbage. This is the happy apple, the one that accidentally got 200 litres or even more of water. Happy artichokes, some beans, green manure, cabbage. Oh look, some fennel around the tree there. That's cool. There's the heart garden. I love the colour of the rose leaves. It's so beautiful. Some garlic. And here, these are the leeks from Las Viñas. Happy to see that they came back. The artichokes, beans, nectarine tree, another olive with a sage. Yeah, there's more than what I'm talking about here because like I said, I haven't looked at the map. Here we've got, I do know one of the nitrogen fixers here. We've got this broom in here, which we planted in October. Just these little spiky things here. Right here, this is where we put some blackberries in. They don't look great. Gooseberry, blackberry, we'll see what happens to them in spring. Then we're into the lesser dense vegetation. Got some artichokes coming up here. The Nispero trees didn't really survive, although there's one over there in this basket. Garlic. This is a hackberry tree, which we discovered is actually not a great companion for many other trees. And that's an almond that we tried to graft, but it doesn't look like the grafting took. Okay, so then back on this side, the bits that we've missed, we've got the pomegranate, artichokes, loads of beans, cherry tree looking like it's got loads of buds. Loads of artichokes, another Algunas there, nitrogen fixing bush. Here, I think this is another cherry or a pomegranate. I'm sorry, I can't remember. This is the artichokes, Algunas, nitrogen fixing bush, beans. And finally here, well, we've got some fennel and some artichokes here. We will plant a tree here again, I think, soon. Over here we've got a dead pear tree from last year and a hackberry. And we need to have another good look for the nitrogen fixers and the aromatics that we planted and see where they all are.